Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today we're going to be working on a fan and feather stitch. Now this one has a ridge in it. Oh, because I did one previously, fan and feather stitch. It does not have a ridge in it, so there's different variations to this stitch. So that's what it looks like, and it has a scalloped edge that rolls a little bit, but it's very, very pretty. And then this is one. Same stitch, just one row is different. And it's super easy. On this blanket here, I had to do a different edge so that it didn't curl. This one here, because it's more like a garter stitch, I didn't have to do anything to the edges. So it's really, really easy to make bigger, smaller, and it lays completely flat. You want to cast on in increments of 18, but first the yarn that I'm using is by Birdie's Knits. I got it on Etsy, and the color is Tide Pool. It is a cotton yarn that she hand dyed, and it recommends using a size 7 needle. However, I used a size 6 needle and was very happy with the results. And it's 190 yards, which is a very nice skein size. I could probably get 3 or 4 washcloths this size, and that's about 7 by 7. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to cast on using the long tail cast on method, and I'm going to cast on 18 stitches, and you'll want to cast on in increments of 18. So for my washcloth, I used 36. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Now on this, row 1 is the right side of your work. So right here, that first row is a ridge. So it's purled on the right side. All right, so that means row 1, we're going to knit all 18 stitches. This is a 4-row repeat, and it's super easy to memorize. Because 3 of the 4 rows are knits and purls. And then we have 1 row that's different. That creates the fan and feather. All right, and then row 2 is the wrong side of your work. So we're going to purl all of these stitches. This yarn is really fun to work with because I like watching all the colors come together. All right, so row 3, and this is where we're going to get our variation, the fan and feather. So we're going to knit 2 together 3 times. So we're going to decrease 3 stitches, knit 2 together, and knit 2 together. And now we're going to yarn over, knit 1 3 times. So we're going to increase or you're going to do it 6 times. So yarn over, knit 1 6 times. So we're going to increase 6 stitches. So we just decreased 3 stitches, and now we're going to increase 6. So yarn over, knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now we're going to knit 2 together 3 times again. So we're going to decrease 3 stitches. So we always have 18 stitches on the needle. So we decreased 3, increased 6, and decreased 3. And that is how you get the little waves in it. And then row 4, you're going to knit all the stitches, and that is where you get your ridge. So we'll go ahead and knit all the way across, so you can see all of it come together. So those were the knit 2 togethers, and now we're going to be knitting into the yarn overs also. So after 1 row, it doesn't really look all that impressive. However, after doing, I don't know however many rows this is, 10 or so rows, it does look impressive, I think. I really, really like this stitch. Super easy and very pretty, and these colors just, I thought, made it perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's washcloth pattern, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Thank you so much for watching.